Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, today we are going to be carrying the pups to get their worm out. Yes, they are 3 weeks old and it is time to worm them out. Yes guys, you see how quick time fly? So currently they are in the car with us. All 5 pups are in this box that you're seeing here. Yes, you see them active and we are driving along. And we have Chase along with us. You saw him in the video. So we are heading to the vet right now to get them wormed out. So look at them. Look how they're beautiful. Can you believe all 5 of them have blue eyes? I don't know if their eyes color are gonna change as they get older, but for now their eyes color is blue. Yes, look at them. Aren't they beautiful? And there is Chase. Look at Chase. Yes guys, Chase, that's our dog Chase. So this is the journey of us going to the veterinarian, and this is when we have arrived. So we are currently at the veterinarian here, and he is about to administer the worm medicine. So you see, he opens their mouth and he puts in the appropriate dosage. So all 5 were wormed out. Chase was supposed to be wormed out as well. However, he explained to us that Chase has motion sickness, which means that Chase can't manage the driving, because when we reached there, Chase had a lot of I don't know, I call it mouth water, lele, saliva or whatever all over him chin and so forth. So he was saying that that's an indication that the dog cannot manage the long driving or driving overall the journey. So Chase never get femur mouth. We had to do that when we came back home. However, we had a few stops to make before heading back home. So you know, while we're making the stops, I decided that I'm gonna do a video of how the pups are interacting, of how they're behaving on the road. They were a well-behaved dog, other than the fact when they got hungry, they cried a lot. Can I tell you a lot? Persons walking by could hear them. I remember we stopped one place and the persons were, "Is that puppies you have? What kind of puppies?" Because they were barking so loud. They were crying because they're hungry. So yeah guys, we stop and watch them climb out. If you look, one is in the corner, one is actually out of the box, and these other 3 are trying to get out. So you see him right there while Chase sit on the front seat. So yeah guys, all 5 pups got worm out. Sky got worm out as well. We did that on our own because we couldn't manage to carry her along for the journey, so she stayed home while we carried out our pups and Chase. So at home we dewormed Chase and Sky. So while the pups got the liquid form, Chase got the pill. So Chase got 2.5 tablets that was given to her orally. When I said oral, I mean my husband hold on pan her mouth, what me wide and push it down at the back of her throat, and then she swallow it. The next one now, him that try open her mouth, but she lock her mouth on him. Decides so she not open it. So him find one little opening and push it through, and she pretend like she eat it. As he let her go, she spit it out back. So it was a joy to watch him and her at it. And then after that, he had to give her a shot. I don't know what the shot contained, if it was a vaccine or what, I'm not sure. But he gave her a shot just the same. Guys, That's it for me, guys. Before I go, guys, please remember to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so that you can be notified each time a video is dropped. Goodbye. Adios.